Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about the following mini cars here. Let's check the first one. The first one is a nice truck, a nice excavator, really nice excavator. Hero Batman black color. Hero Batman. How about this one? Racing car. You can see top speed, speed first. Racing car number 3. It looks very nice. Let's check the next one. Another racing car, green color. This one is also a super car. Okay, let's check this one. How about this? Shoot bus, mini bus, shoot bus. How about this one? Mini helicopter. School bus, everybody, school bus. How about this one? Mini cars transporter. A broken track. Okay, a broken track. An off-road car. How about this? A broken bus. Yeah, a broken bus. How about this one? A broken police car. How about this one? A broken racing car, green color. I have a lot of broken cars here, like this one. A broken garbage truck. How about this? A broken ladder truck. Everybody. Monster truck. A nice monster truck. How about this one? Mini bulldozer. How about this? Super motorbike. This one is a nice super motorbike. It also my dream super motorbike. How about this one? Racing car. It also a supercar, green color. Okay everybody, so now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye, good luck.